Hola Nieves, welcome back to my channel. Let's check today's news headlines. Yahoo as always. Yeah, so there is a big earthquake a couple of days ago. This is something related to the earthquake. Shinkansen no teikyo kaishi. Because of the earthquake, the Shinkansen, our bullet train came off the rails. So we started a project to bring it back on the rails. And it takes a couple of days. It's about juvenile crime. If it should be anonymous or publicize his name. And 89% of people agree to publicize the teenager's name. Okay, someone from this SMBC insurance company manipulate the stock price. Sorry, I don't get this one. The next one, 4回目接種, the vaccination. Recently I received an invitation letter for a big group vaccination. And that is for the third vaccine, the booster. And this one is talking about the fourth, if we should take the fourth or not. Today I want to focus on the topic of earthquake. As you know, we had a very serious earthquake almost 10 years ago, 2011. It's been over a decade already. Do you remember how it was like? I'll show you some video. This is a real-time video. This is just the beginning of this big disaster. Only earthquake, but still really strong. Wow. Look at this. The block, even whoa. You cannot do anything to stop this, You can only evacuate, but you have no idea, you are in panic, you have no idea where to go. He said there are three major fault plate destruction at the 3 points, and that caused a really strong earthquakes. So that means March 11th earthquake isn't a big one earthquake. It was a series of 3 major earthquakes. And the earthquake caused this tsunami. You remember that. Be careful. The tsunami is coming. Like this. This tsunami also washed away all the houses, buildings in the field. Look. You can also see cars in there. So not only this earthquake itself, also tsunami and nuclear power plant accident. We had very scary major disasters in one day. That's very scary. That happened in 2011, and we classify the strength of the shaking not in magnitude level. We set 7 levels of strength level, and 7 is the maximum, the strongest. Look, it covered almost the half land of Japan. Tokyo's here, it's here, 3 or 4 level, 7 the strongest. So that happened in 2011. The question is, how often do we have this kind of strong earthquake? We always say every 10 years we have a big earthquake. Of course, there are some small earthquake in between. But before 2011, we had this one, Hanshin-Awaji Daishinsai. Now you can compare. The 2011 one hit the east side of Japan. The other one, 1995 one, when I was 6 or 7 years old, was like this. So Tokyo is here. Now can you compare? The 2011 hit here, this part. The previous one hit here. So Osaka, Kyoto. So west part of Japan, we had this Hanshin-Awaji Daishinsai. Let's check the video. She was on a TV program, like a news program, at 5:46. So in the morning, early morning, she was on a TV program. We're having a big earthquake now. Evacuate. And stopped. Because of this earthquake, it hit some factories and housings, and yeah, it destroyed, and it caused some fire at many places, many spots. You can see here. 1, 2, 3. Of course, it also destroyed street infrastructure. Look, this is highway. No, highway like fell down. Wow. Wow. Of course, it destroyed the residential areas. The debris. It's just like arcade. Very busy street. Crazy, huh? That happened in 1995, 16 years before this Tohoku one. A couple days ago, another earthquake hit Fukushima, almost the same area as 2011, and destroyed a lot again. Shindo Roku is level 6, not as strong as the previous one, as strong as this one. Crazy, isn't it? Let's go back to today's headline. It is about the ballet train, that came off the rail. Passengers all evacuated it, and there was no casualties, not even injured. That's good. No casualties. That's good. I told you every 10 years we have a major one, and also every 100 years we have a devastating, super big one happen. And last one happened in 1923. So yeah, that was devastating one. So what year are we in now? It's 2022. So it's been almost 100 years. Just 100 years. Maybe as you know, I'm from here, Ehime, right? So southern part of Japan. Tokyo here, Osaka here. And it is said that one of the worst earthquakes coming to southern part of Japan. This one, we call it Nankai Torafu earthquake. Look, mine is 6 plus, but still almost close to 7. This is coming. We already had devastating earthquakes. But look, 7, level 7, so much level 7, not even level 6 plus. Again, Fukushima one, 7 only here, 1, 7 and 6. And Hanshin one is only 2, 6, 5 and 4. And this one, so many 7 level. I still remember when I was very young, people said like this Nankai trouble might come very soon. It's been 30 years. I don't know when, but it is coming. Maybe tomorrow, I don't know. It is coming. The great earthquake is coming. That's why I really don't want to invest in real estate in Japan. I just want you to remember, in Japan, almost every 10 years, we suffer a big earthquake. And yeah, almost every 100 years, we have a super devastating big earthquake. And it might come very soon, maybe tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please leave a comment and subscribe my channel. I always check your comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.